Whooped it. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do it. I get the breeze, then it's adios.
Stop. Those on this side, those over on this side.
Hey babes, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. This vlog is going to be a monthly reset. I shouldn't say this vlog, this video. It's going to be a monthly reset. I don't know why every time I pick up the camera, he want to interrupt me. He hating on his mama coins. He really don't want me to make it. Yeah, he don't want me to make it. But excuse the way I look and I sound because allergies have been what's tea? What's tea? Allergies have been whooping my butt, y'all. Like, this year, I have been fighting for my life. Like, when I say my life, like, I legit mean, like, it's been so bad for me. Like, anything you can think of, like, it's been me. Then, not to mention, hold on, pause. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I even get into all of that. I'm going to talk to y'all before, you know, we get into the cleaning and all of that, because I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. I don't know, but I'm going to catch y'all up. So, y'all, like, a week and a half ago, my eye, like, I had a big old bump on my eye. I might put the picture in here or whatever. I had a big old bump on my eye, and I'm gonna tell you how the day started. Like, I was outside, I had took Brax for a walk, and I was congested, nose running, eyes itching, all that. But I thought it was just because my allergies. So then I come in and take a shower, and my eye just, like, it started itching real bad. So I'm like, that's weird. So I go downstairs to make some chicken, cause I was grilling some chicken for my chicken salad or whatever, y'all. And I legit could not see out of my eye. Like, it just went hella blurry. Like, could not see a thing. So I'm like, all right, hold on, this ain't right. So I go in the bathroom. It's a big fat ass bump on my eye. I'm like, hold on, like, I ain't never, like, that's never been like one of my symptoms with allergies or anything like that, to where I get bumps on my eyes or anything like that. So I'm like, I probably got bit by something. So I'm asking everybody and stuff like that. I'm like, this looks like a bump, don't it? They like, yeah. So I go to urgent care. My eye, like, swollen, like, super swollen. I can't see a thing. It hurt hella bad. Itch, like, it was leaking pus. It was, my eyes was, like, hella watery. I was crying for no reason. Like, tears just falling down, y'all. It was a time. So then, once I get to urgent care, I'm in there for, like, I got there, like, 9 o'clock. I ain't leave till 2 o'clock. Let's talk about it. But by the time the doctor saw me, y'all, the bump was gone. My eye was, like, it was swollen, but it wasn't as swollen as it was. So I'm glad I took the picture so she could see or whatever. But she said it looked like I got bit by an insect. And then my eye was blurry and I couldn't see because I damaged the inside of my eye, y'all. Like, when I say I couldn't see, I mean I legit could not see out of my eye. So she put some type of stuff in her to tell that I damaged it and whatnot. And so then she gave me some medicine. Well, prescribed me some medicine or whatever. And yeah, so that was the whole situation with my eye. But I was like, this is crazy. I legit could not see out of my eye. And every now and then, my eye started hurting real bad. And it took about, I'd say, like 4 days for my vision to fully come back. But yeah, that was kind of scary. But holding this phone, camera, whatever, is making my arms hurt. My tripod is in my car. But yeah, that's the situation with my eye. Let's see what else is new with me. Yeah, I graduate in 2 weeks. May 13th, I graduate. I'm gonna have my associate's degree in arts and science, and then I'm transferring for right now I'm biology pre-med, but I think I want to do public health. I don't know if it's called public health or public science. I might do one of those pre-med, but regardless, it's gonna be pre-med because y'all know I want to be a pediatrician. But yeah, y'all, I'm graduating in 2 weeks. It's kind of exciting. I'm not gonna do no photo shoot or nothing like that. I'm gonna wait until I get my bachelor's because, you know, I don't want to like downplay my accomplishment, but it's just like it's only my associates. But then it's also like, girl, you worked hard for that. So, you know, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I'll do some headshots because I do need some headshots for like all of the important things that I have coming up as far as like YouTube and school. So I might just do like some professional headshots. I'm not sure, y'all. I really don't know. But my graduation is at 10 o'clock in the morning, so that's a little stressful because I gotta be there at 8:30. So that means I have to wake up at 6:30 to get my makeup done because I want my makeup done. So that means everything else that I gotta do it the day before. Like my hair and my nails, I gotta get done the day before. And I don't mind getting my nails done the day before, but it's like my hair, if I got something special going on, I like getting it done the day of. Unless I'm going out of town. I don't even play like that with these stylists no more. But yeah. So your girl is graduating. Let's see if anything else new. Yeah, I know I haven't been consistent, but it's like I haven't been consistent because mentally I was not there. Like I was still processing my brother's death, and that's just like, I always say this, but it's something that like I will never be okay with, but I have to find a way to be okay, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. It's like his death finally hit me, so I just been going through like that process. But it's like right now in this very moment, for the last like month, 3 weeks or so, I've been accepting his death in my own way, and I've starting to come to peace with his death. Like I know that my brother is no longer in pain, he's not suffering. Like I'm just sure that like he's up there happy as hell with our grandmother. I'm just sure that my brother is just happy, he's like pain free and away from this nasty ass world. So that brings me peace because I know how long he suffered and all the things that he had to go through. So I'm happy with that. But of course I miss my brother to death and would do anything to bring him back, but it would be selfish of me to want him here in pain. So yeah, it's just, I don't know, I'm just becoming, like I said, at peace with it, and I'm learning how to cope and live with it. I still have my days, my weeks sometimes where it's just like, it's just not a good day for me or a good week for me, and that's okay because it's like I lost somebody that was close to me. Like I lost my brother, like somebody that I'll never see again. You know, I'll never hear his voice again unless I'm listening to a video, or I'll never see him again unless I'm looking at pictures and stuff. So it's like, and for him to die so young, it's like I have to live like the rest of my life without him. So it's okay for me, you know, to have my days, period. But yeah, we just gonna cut that conversation short right there before I get the crying, because I will cry. Yeah, I will cry. But it's funny though, like it's super funny because if you know me, you know that I am like a big crybaby. I'm super sensitive. Like I'm quick to cry. But ever since my brother died, y'all, I cried so much during that time. I don't think my body can really produce tears how I used to. Like things that would have made me cry like a year ago, not even a year ago, before he died, I just be like, okay, cool. Like, I don't cry anymore, and it's crazy to me because everybody knows me as a crybaby. Like, I don't cry no more. Like, that is crazy. And it's like, I don't like it because that's my coping mechanism for everything. Like, that's therapeutic for me. And it's like, I don't do it no more. So it's like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? And I be trying to cry. Like, I be sitting in the car trying to cry and it don't come out. Like, girl, bye. But yeah. So yeah. But I will say that life isn't too bad right now. You know, everybody has their days, their weeks, and stuff like that. But I'm back in the gym consistently. Back in the gym consistently. I got my puppy. I love him to death. I'm about to graduate. Going on vacation after graduation. Trying to plan more vacations. Life isn't too shabby right now. Like, I'm blessed. Things could always be worse. I could be where I was a year ago, and that was dealing with heartbreak. Very, very, very depressed, not eating and stuff like that. So it's like I've grown so much in the last year. And I'm happy with my growth in some aspects. There's some things that I need to work on, but as far as like overall, I think that I'm doing a pretty damn good job for 23. I would think so. Everybody moves at their own pace, so what other people are doing don't got shit to do with me. I'm okay with where I'm at right now. I'm pretty content with life. Like, I'm not, I don't know. And it's crazy because for a while I was feeling super, super, super stagnant, and I felt like nothing like was moving forward and stuff like that. But it's like I just had to take a step back and just live in the freaking moment. Like, just live in the moment, because I just be too busy trying to get to the next space in my life and just not enjoying the freaking moment. So that's just what I've been focusing on, and keeping good energy around me. People that actually love, care, and support me makes a difference. I don't know, I'm just trying to better myself, be a better me. But yeah, I would say I'm pretty cool with how things are going. So now that my mental is back, I plan on being back on YouTube, coming in full throttle, hard in the paint, going dumb, going stupid on here. So yeah, comment some video ideas. But actually, I feel like I kind of have my May content planned out because I have a lot going on. Like, I'm gonna do a get ready with me for graduation vlog. Get ready with me for vacation, vacay vlog. Like, I got stuff going on in May. Like, May is a busy month for me, so I feel like I have hella stuff that I can record, you know. But yeah, still comment some video ideas. That way I can still give y'all what y'all want and giving y'all what I want to give y'all, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm happy to be back. I missed vlogging and just uploading consistently and stuff like that. So I can't wait to see where things grow. And it's like I gotta come back and start going hard because I said I wanted to hit 10K this year. God, please let me hit 10K this year. I want it so bad. And it's like, I gotta put in the work. So, let me start putting in the work. What did TikTok say? God, if you fuck with me, you will flip that motherfucker. Come on. Flip me to 10K. But, seriously, yeah. I want to hit 10K. So, it's like I gotta start putting in the work. And being on my ish and getting serious. So May 1st is tomorrow. Today's April 30th. Today's my mommy's birthday. But yeah, shifting get serious, y'all. But yeah, I just want to come and talk to y'all because I feel like I just kind of like started going MIA and didn't tell y'all. So I wanted to fill y'all in on what's been going on with me. I hope everything is going okay with y'all. Comment down below and tell me how y'all been. I love talking to y'all and engaging with y'all when y'all comment. It just makes my heart smile. you know, keeps me motivated. So yeah, I hope everything is going okay with y'all. And if y'all are graduating, anybody that's watching this is graduating, congratulations. And yeah, so I guess we can go ahead and start getting into the whole cleaning aspect of this video. All right, y'all, my room isn't too dirty. It's just clothes from me getting ready yesterday at my mama party. For my mama party, I mean, godly. So yeah, I didn't clean up my bed. I'm washing my sheets today. This what I be talking about. Hold on. So like I was saying before, I was really interrupted by the sneeze attacks. I'm washing my bedding and stuff like that. I need to clean off my bed. These are all clean clothes. I was getting ready yesterday. And then my chair. These are my old sheets and stuff like that. So I need to put that up. And then I got all my heels and stuff. I did already wash Brax's his toys and his beds. I do that every week. And then I cleaned out his crate as well. And then we got my desk. I didn't get that together. This has probably been like this for maybe 2 months. So that's really bad, you know. So I didn't get that together. And then, you know, sweep mop. And then I plan on planning my content. And, what's this? I plan on planning my content out and writing down some goals and just doing some planning. Y'all, look at my face. This is like the worst my face has ever been. I've had good skin all my life up until now. So it's like hella frustrating actually, because why my face? Like, this is so ugly and embarrassing. It makes me slightly insecure just a little bit, but I know I'm still pretty. But yeah, y'all, I don't go see the dermatologist till the middle of May. So I wanted my face to be clear for vacation, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start getting all this together. Yeah, OMG, look at Brex. Hey, no. Remember, we don't do that. He's getting so big. He went to the groomer. Stop, baby. I'm not rubbing your belly. No, I'm not rubbing your belly. Yeah, why my baby getting so big? You are so freaking spoiled. It's ridiculous. But he went to the groomer yesterday. And him being all fluffed out. Stop. No, sit. Sit. He listen when he want to listen. It drives me crazy. Sit. No, sit. Brax. Sit. Y'all, he's so bad. But him being fluffed out like that makes him look so much bigger than what he really is. Even though he is hella big. When he went to the vet doctor, whatever, last time he weighed 12 pounds. So I can only imagine what he weighs now. And I think he's supposed to get up to maybe 20 pounds. So he's more than halfway there. But yeah, I keep talking. Yeah, as soon as I turned the camera off, his bad boy peed on my floor. And he been doing super good. But I guess that's kind of my fault, because I did just give him hella water and then take him outside. But still, he know better. So he just peed on my floor. So, nah, little boy is in timeout.
If I'm with the trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his plata, then I'm dancing my cha-cha. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his plata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they ruthless. Swagged out, familiar be bringing them cats out. I still got some racks up in the trap house. With the booty, so I'm blowing her back out. Blowing her back out. Bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they shooting.
Oh, that's good.
Walking on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too
Language is the only talk he's fluent in. He knew it was going down when he flew me in. But my pussy's so exclusive, limited edition. You know niggas love pretty bitches with ambition.
Okay, we're gonna go right here. We're about to get a car wash. I didn't see that then. All right, y'all, we are about to get a car wash. It's well overdue, and it's 92 degrees outside, so it's gonna be hot as hell cleaning the car out, but yeah.
Flash, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. I never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can see no place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, letting know it's so late, I'm the same. Feel like we weren't in the same, our relationship changed. That I would never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Fuck what they're talking about on your time.
Yeah, I'm just really trying to figure out why I thought it was a good idea to wash my car. Not even wash it. Washing it is cool because you ain't gotta get out the car. But to clean my car out knowing that it's 90 degrees outside. Like, then I got on this two-piece set or whatever, and it's a tank top and some leggings, and then I got on my UGG slides, the platform ones with the fur. Like, I don't think I really realized how hot it was outside. Like, baby, this is a summer day. This is a summer day. Whew. And it's like I need something cold now. I really need a beverage. Oh, I need a beverage. This is outrageous. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I was clearly tweaking. I was high as fuck. Yeah, I just had to come out here and tell y'all that. But y'all, why I just say that, while I was cleaning out my car, it say I got a text message from the city talking about some severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for the city of St. Louis until 9 p.m. I just got a whole car wash for nothing. But really not for nothing, because whatever. But the main thing that I need to do is clean out the car, so that's done. And yeah, I'm not mad at it. But if I would have looked at the weather, I really knew that it was gonna rain, but I don't think I just thought about it. I forgot. But if I would have looked at the weather and I realized that it was gonna rain, I would have got the cheapest car wash instead of getting the one that I got. But not gonna dwell on it. I'm on my way to Target now because I need like hygiene products. Oh, it's hot, I'm sorry. I need hygiene products, so I gotta go to Target and get that. But I'm debating if I want to put that in this video or if I want to split the videos up and do a Target hygiene haul, or like shop at Target with me and this video. So I think because I need content and I didn't really do nothing for the month of April, I think I'm gonna split the videos up. It's probably what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but y'all, so today is what, May 7th. Y'all didn't see me all day yesterday. Today's Sunday. I didn't come on the camera all day Saturday because I was asleep. Last time y'all saw me was Cinco de Mayo at the restaurant Morgan. Y'all, baby, please, I don't know what was in them drinks, or like if I was just actually tired. It was probably a mixture of both, because I haven't been sleeping for real. Y'all, please tell me why I slept the whole day yesterday. I was probably up for 4 hours max yesterday. I was so tired. I really needed that. Like, I'm so energized right now. Like, I'm gonna have a great week. I graduate on Saturday. Like, it's just gonna be a great week. But I really need yesterday to play catch up sleep. To catch up on my sleep. Like, it was needed. It was really needed. But yeah, so I'll see y'all, I want to say when I get to Target, but it ain't gonna be in this video. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all, because it's really hot. I need something. I need a beverage. These are pretty. Okay, so y'all saw that I got a car wash or whatever, and I use these little plug-in, the small spaces Febreze for my car as air fresheners, because for one, they be smelling so good and they last long. So I'm about to put one in here. I'll be feeling that. noisy, all you do is press it. And then I just put it inside my car and leave it in there. And while I magic, the car is gonna smell really, 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 really good. It's gonna smell really good in here next time I get back in. But yeah, so y'all saw me clean the car, and I got some stuff right there in the seat that I need to take in the house. And other than that, oh, that smell real good already. Other than that, my car is cleaned. I had a successful day at Target, baby. I had so much fun in there, spending all my money. Yeah. I'm finna take all this stuff in because I gotta take the Target stuff in, and then take my the stuff that I got back there in. And then when I get inside, there's a few things that I gotta do, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this little car thing or whatever, because I'm not sure if I ever did it on any of my other vlogs, but or if y'all new here and haven't seen any of my old vlogs. Yeah, get you one of these small spaces, put it in your car, and it's gonna smell real good, and it lasts long, at least for me. So it's like 45 days on the bike. That's what, a month and a half. Not too shabby for $3. So yeah, it's hella hot outside, y'all. My car said it's 95 degrees. Like, that's really, really insane. But I'm not complaining because all last week it was cold, and it's just been cold. It's been hot and cold, hot and cold. So hopefully the good weather is here to stay. But I think once I take all this stuff in and put it up and stuff like that, I think I want to take Brex for a walk. But I'm not sure because it's hella hot. I don't know. My baby might overheat. We'll see.